Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your videos on Twitch, step by step. Keep in mind, you can only upload and delete videos if you're a part of Twitch affiliate or partnership programs. So let's get started. First of all, open the Twitch app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you are an affiliate or partner. Otherwise, you won't have the upload or delete options. Once the app opens, go to the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon to open your account settings and dashboard options. On your profile page, look at the top left corner. Here, you'll see the settings option. Tap on it to continue. This is where all your account management options are located. Inside settings, tap on Creator Dashboard. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can manage all your videos and content. At the bottom left corner of the dashboard, you'll see the Content option. Tap on Content to see all the videos you've uploaded to Twitch. From the list of uploaded videos, select the video you want to delete. Tap on the video to open the video management screen. Once the video opens, look at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the three dots or More Options button. From the menu, choose Delete Video to permanently remove it from Twitch. And that's it. That's how you can easily delete your videos on Twitch if you are an affiliate or partner. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help.